standard on all models. They've launched next year with the ultimate beauty. All new Holden Beauty. Go harder.
Here at 10HDHQ, we know you have a lot of questions about 10HD TV. So, what makes 10HD different? There are various standards of picture quality, and 10's will be the highest. On HD, you get to experience 5.1 surround sound. Pressing 1 on your remote will take you straight to 10HD for free. You'll find all your favorites and over 50 hours of unique HD programs. The world is amazing in HD.
You're watching 10 News. An apology tonight from soccer superstar David Beckham after he snubbed young cancer patients waiting to greet him in Sydney. Beckham touched down on a private jet ahead of Tuesday's big match between the LA Galaxy and Sydney FC.
David Beckham went for the rock star look as he arrived on his first trip down under. One of the world's highest paid footballers touching down in a luxury private jet, being chauffeur-driven to his hotel.
Ang galing! Ayan na. Kababa na siya. Ang galing-galing naman! Ang galing-galing naman, Luis ko!
It didn't happen. The soccer star and his minders walking straight past the children, leaving them in tears.
He turned his back to where he showed me